how to fix Instagram story glitch in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. This fix is gonna be working for Android and iOS too. So go to settings and then go to the apps manager or the permissions. Go to apps and then search for Instagram right here between all the apps that you have on your phone. And after you find Instagram, click on it like this, click on force stop, and after you click on force stop, then make sure to go back and restart your phone, and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then go back to settings, go to apps, Instagram, and this time go to storage and click on clear data and clear cache, and then reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. See you later. Thank you so much for watching until the very end.